In this video, we will cover how to add, view, edit, delete, and tag someone in a comment in Google Slides. To add a comment, highlight the text or select the image, object, or slide you want to put the comment on. Once this is highlighted or selected, click the comment icon here. If you want to cancel out of the comment at any time, click Cancel. From here, a comment will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. You can now begin to type your comment. Once you have finished typing, click Comment and your comment will save. Note that comments on your Google Slide presentation will not show up on your presentation when you are presenting. Click this icon to see all the different comments in your presentation. You can click Comment to be brought to the commented item highlighted in yellow. From here, you can reply to the comment or resolve the comment. To close this, simply just click on this icon again. To edit or delete a comment, click on the comment you wish to edit or delete. If you click these three dots, you'll be able to either edit or delete your comment. When you're ready to save your comment after editing, click Save. When you're ready to delete your comment, click Delete. To reply to a comment, click on the comment you wish to reply to. You can click here and type your response. Once your response is typed, click Reply. It is also possible to tag a specific person in a comment. Be sure before doing this that the Google Slides presentation is shared with them. Otherwise, they will not be able to see the comment. If you're unsure of how to do this, refer to our Google Slides Basics Part 1 video linked in the description below. Add a comment like you normally would and type the person's name you'd like to tag in the comment anywhere in the comment. But make sure that the first letter of their name is capitalized. Click the correct person that appears below the name you typed to tag them. You can see that you can also type the plus symbol and their email to tag someone. Once you're done typing your comment, click Comment. The person you tagged will receive an email to notify them that they've been tagged in a comment. Once you are done with the comment, you can click here to resolve the comment and make it disappear. If anybody else was replying in this comment, they will also get an email notification that the comment has been resolved. If you have any additional questions, make a TechBar appointment at techbar.night.domains. Thanks for watching!